I thank organizing committee for giving me a wonderful opportunity to present my work in the conference. I would like to introduce myself. I am Ramesh, Research Associate from Department of Physics, Banaras Indian University, Varanasi. So here I am going to discuss about one of my research work, which is combustion synthesis of reduced graphene oxide for electrochemical supercapacitor applications. So graphene is one of the wonder material in the world which has monoatomic thick layer of graphite, which was invented by Andre Geim and Novoselov at 2004. Later they got Nobel Prize in Physics at 2010 due to unique properties of graphene. The properties are the largest specific surface area and a superior electrical conductivity, high Young's modulus, and a superior thermal conductivity and a superior optical transmittance. Therefore, many effort has been made on preparation of graphene, which are exfoliation and cleavage of graphite, chemical vapor deposition, chemical reduction of GO, thermal decomposition, unzipping of CNT, and etc. There are some common reduction techniques was followed by researcher, which are chemical reduction, hydrothermal reduction, and thermal reduction. In the chemical reduction, what happened? We need to use high and strong reducing agent for removal of functional group from the graphite oxide. In the hydrothermal and the thermal reduction, we need to use high temperature electric furnace for removing the functional group from the graphite oxide. So to avoid the toxic chemical usage and high temperature electric furnace usage, we are introduced camphor assisted combustion techniques for reducing the graphite oxide. Camphor is one of the sublimated and combustible carbon precursor, which can be easily making a composite through with the GO. In the synthesis process, we are changing the concentration of camphor in the GO. Later, we named as like RGO12C, RGO16C, RGO20C. What happened after combustion? The synthesis occurred carbon nanoparticles were decorated on the graphene sheet, which prevent the restocking effect of graphene and also which enhance the ionic permeability within a electrode material. In the preparation method, GO was prepared by Hamas method. The Hamas method prepared graphite oxide was dispersed in the ethanol. Later, the excess of ethanol were removed from the suspension. At the time, we need to add camphor in the suspension, which was kept in the open air. The remaining ethanol also were removed by air. Later, we got camphor and GO composite, which can be easily combustible by gas lighter. Later, we will get after combustion, we will get floatable graphite material. The combusted material was characterized and confirmed through FTIR spectral analysis. Here, the GO was having higher absorption peak around 3268, which indicates that hydroxyl functional group were present in the material. And also, there was some carbonyl and alkane functional group. The black curve shows that pristine camphor. The red curve shows that camphor with GO composite. Later, what happened after combustion? The majority of functional group were removed from the material, which indicates that the combustion process removed most of the functional group. So for comparative purpose, we also prepare the chemical reduction of material by using hydrogen hydride. In the X-ray diffraction measurement, the peak position of graphite was shifted towards the lower angle during the oxidation. During the oxidation, what happened? The interlayer spacing was occupied by the hydroxyl and oxalic functional group. So what happened after combustion? The peak position of graphite was shifted towards the higher angle, which indicates that most of the functional group were removed from the graphite oxide. The thermal stability was carried out at function of temperature. Here, the GO having two major weight loss, which was the first weight loss was observed up to 210 degrees Celsius. Another weight loss was observed from the 525 degrees Celsius. The first major weight loss was observed due to removal of moisture and impurities. The second weight loss was observed the graphite oxide due to critical temperature of graphite. What happened in the critical temperature? The graphite oxide at the temperature, the graphite oxide was motivated to exfoliate. At the time, the trapped functional group were removed from the graphene sheets. Here, the as combusted materials having no major weight loss up to 4 degrees Celsius, which confirms that during the combustion, most of the functional group were removed. And later, there has been some slight weight loss was observed, gradual weight loss was observed due to oxidation of carbon. The dishardness and graphitic nature of sample were analyzed through Raman spectroscopy. Interestingly, what happened when we increase the Camphor ratio in the graphite oxide, what happened? The intensity peak position were minimized. And also the RGO-20C having some peak shift due to presence of carbon particle. The dishardness material was calculated from ID by IG value. Here the RGO-12C having higher dishardness comparably, which is comparably higher than RGO-20C, which has been occupied when we increase camphor concentration during the combustion. Majority of functional group were removed from the material. The nitrogen absorption and desorption isotherm were performed function of relative gas pressure at 77 Kelvin. The surface area of the material was calculated from the multi-point BET plot. So here we observed the surface area for RGO-12C having higher surface area, which is higher than RGO-20C. The higher and lower surface area was attributed due to presence of higher and lower concentrated carbon particle presence in the surface, graphene surface. The same microstructure analysis shows that the material showing cliffy nature morphology, and the respective TEM images shows that RGO-20C having higher concentrated carbon particle comparably higher than, which is comparably higher than 12C, RGO-12C. And also selective area diffraction shows that the hexagonal pattern along with ring, which indicates that the graphene surface having some carbon particle. In the application part, cyclic voltammetric and galvanostatic charge discharge were performed in the 3 electrode cell setup using 6 molar KOH electrolyte. The comparative charge cyclic voltammetric curve was performed at 10 milliwatt per second for RGO-12C, RGO-20C, RGO chemically reduced. The chemically reduced curve showing less current response than combusted material. And also the comparative charge discharge curve was performed at 0.5 ampere per gram. The charge discharge curve for RGO-12C and RGO-20C were performed for various current density. The specific capacitance were calculated from the galvanostatic charge discharge curve using this formula. I is the constant current, M is the mass of the material, dt by dV is the slope value of discharge curve. Here we observe higher capacitance for RGO-12C, which is comparably higher than chemically reduced material. The series resistance and the charge transfer resistance were calculated from the imaginary and the real part of the Nyquist impedance plot. Here, the lower frequency region of the combusted material, which is adjacent to the imaginary part, which indicates that the material, combusted material, having capacitance behavior. In the enlarged part of higher frequency region, the intercept does that the RGO-12C having less series resistance, which is comparably lower than chemically and RGO-20C. The specific capacitance versus current density plot shows that the chemically reduced graphene oxide having less capacitance, which is comparably lower than combusted material. And the combusted material having higher capacitance retention up to 98%, or even 1000 cycles. The conclusion: the synthesis of RGO using camphor resistor combustion of graphite oxide is reported for first time. Camphor resistor combustion of graphite oxide is one of the low-cost cost-effective detection techniques. Here we can produce the RGO along with the carbon particle without utilizing high-tech laboratory and the instrument. The advantage of synthesis secured carbon particle can prevent the self-restocking of graphene. Therefore, the electrochemical capacitance of combusted graphene oxide shows higher value than chemically reduced graphene oxide. These are my publications. Here I would like to acknowledge Professor N. Srivastava, Professor M. S. Ras, Dr. M. Stanley Leo Hudson, and Professor P. Ravindran. And also I would like to acknowledge the necessary necessary facilities provided by Hydrogen Lab, BHU, and NIST USA, and the funding agency DST Inspire Faculty Scheme. Thank you.